Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be looking at some skincare mistakes to stop in 2023. Yes, I know this is a little bit late because this is, by the time I'll be posting this video, it will be March already, but yeah, it's still the third month of the year, so it's never too late. So in today's video we're going to be looking at some skincare mistakes to avoid in 2023, because these skincare mistakes could be the reason why you aren't seeing results in your skincare products, or why your skin is getting worse instead of it to be getting better. So if you're interested in knowing some of these skincare mistakes, please don't go anywhere. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep on watching. So guys, before starting, make sure you follow your girl on Instagram and TikTok. Yeah, your girl just started Instagram and TikTok fully, so I'll be sharing some skincare and natural hair videos there as well. Please make sure you follow your girl there to support me. Now, the number one skincare mistake you want to avoid in 2023 is making use of makeup wipes. I know you're surprised, right? Yeah, a lot of people make use of makeup wipes, and let me tell you something, makeup wipes can be a little too harsh on your face, especially if you have a very sensitive skin like me. My face is very sensitive, and I notice that anytime I make use of makeup wipes, it kind of causes some kind of pimples, rashes on my face. And if you go through the ingredient list on most makeup wipes, you will notice ingredients like alcohol and perfumes that can cause some kind of irritation on sensitive skin. So instead of making use of makeup wipes, why not use micellar water? Like, I still prefer micellar water to makeup wipes. Now, yeah, I know some people might say they use baby wipes. Okay, yeah, baby wipes is still okay, but I feel anything that has alcohol or perfume shouldn't be used on the face, especially if you have sensitive skin or you are battling with acne, eczema. Please just use micellar water instead. So instead of using facial wipes, I make use of micellar water. Then sometimes when I'm on heavy makeup, I do the double cleansing method. So why not try the double cleansing method as well? So for the double cleansing method, I first wash my face with an oil-based cleanser or a cleansing balm. You can also make use of jojoba oil or some other oils that serve as double cleansing. Then after that, I go ahead to wash again with my water-based cleanser, like that is my facial soap. With that, I don't need any more facial wipes to clean my face. And do you know that most people that use makeup wipes, after using makeup wipes, they don't go ahead to wash their face again with facial cleanser or facial soap, which is wrong, because all those ingredients like alcohol and perfume will stick to your face till the next day, which is not healthy. So you want to make sure to wash your face with your facial cleanser. Like I don't know why some people just clean their face with makeup wipes and feel they are good to go to bed. No, you need to cleanse. You need to cleanse with a cleanser, like a soap or a facial wash. The second mistake people make in skincare is using products that contains perfumes or scented products. This is not for everyone. I understand that some people might like their product to smell nice, which is actually good, but if you are dealing with dry skin, you are dealing with acne, eczema, you want to stay away from those products. Please guys, stay away from scented products. Instead, make use of fragrance-free products. This is because all these scented products might irritate your skin, because your skin is already dry, you are suffering from acne already, so it might further irritate your skin. So why not just go for fragrance-free products that will be very mild on your skin? Fragrance-free products like shea butter, oatmeal, oils, facial oils, hyaluronic acids, and the likes. All these ingredients I listed or products I listed will really help your skin to improve your skin and help your skin to strive more, instead of fragrance products that would further irritate or complicate your skin. The third mistake people make is using comedogenic products on their face. Now, I don't blame you guys. It's because some people don't check ingredients list when they buy their products. So please, you want to make sure you are checking the ingredient list on the products you are buying to make sure they don't contain any form of comedogenic ingredients, because comedogenic ingredients will clog your pores, especially if you are prone to acne. Even if you are not prone to acne, comedogenic products or ingredients will clog your pores. So I would not advise you to use comedogenic products especially on your face, because our face is very, very, very sensitive than our body, and it's on our face that we have acne, it's on our face that we have eczema. So you want to make sure you're not using all these comedogenic product on your face. Now I'm going to be mentioning some of the comedogenic ingredients to watch out for when getting your skincare products. Ingredients like cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut oil. These products or these ingredients are comedogenic. So I'll try to leave the comedogenic chart on the screen for you to check, so that you watch out for these ingredients when buying your skincare products. So it's not as if coconut oil is not good, it's not as if shea butter is not good, but it's just that they are comedogenic products that could irritate someone that is prone to acne if applied on the face. Now, I know some people make use of coconut oil as their body oil. Yes, they apply it on their body, fine. I also apply coconut oil on my body, but I don't apply it on my face because it can clog pores. So those that are not prone to acne might not really react to this product, but if you are prone to acne, you want to stay away from this kind of ingredients. This is why your skincare products are not working. This is why you keep complaining of acne, eczema on your face. So please guys, stay away from comedogenic ingredients. If you've watched to this point and you enjoy what you're watching, please support your girl by liking this video and also click on that red subscribe button if you haven't done so. Thank you. Another mistake to avoid in 2023 is using the right products at the right time. Yes, you can have the right products, but you don't know how to use them. I've seen some people use spot treatment during the day, and I'm like, how? Like, who taught you this? You don't use spot treatment during the day, you use it at night. Even if you use sunscreen, yes, some people will still say, I used sunscreen. But how many people in Nigeria uses sunscreen the right way, like the correct way to use sunscreens? For you to get the full benefit of sunscreens, you need to use it at least 3 to 4 hours interval. But how many people do that? Like, they just use it in the morning before they leave the house, and that's all till the next day. So I would advise you, don't use spot treatment during the day. Use your spot treatments at night. Also, your lightening products, don't use lightening products during the day because of the sun, guys. Don't use it. Use your lightening products at night. Then your sunscreens too. Sunscreens are meant for day and afternoon, right? Don't use it during the night. So all these products, they count. The way you use them counts. If you don't use them when you are supposed to use them, they would react badly on your skin. For example, if you are using lightening product during the day without sunscreen, without using the sunscreen at intervals, why won't you go dark, or why won't that product start reacting badly on your skin? So guys, please make sure you're not repeating the same mistake in 2023. Make sure you are using your products at the right time. So I have a video on this channel where I talked about 9 reasons why your skincare products aren't working. I'll try to leave the link up here or in the description box, so you can check that out for additional details. Another mistake people make is not applying your product on your face alone while leaving your neck and your chest. Like, why? Like, this is 2023, sis. Stop that. Like, leave that in 2022. Whatever product you are applying on your face, you need to also apply it on your neck area and also your chest, so that it will be rhyme, like, so that you won't be dealing with a Coke and Fanta kind of situation you get. So make sure you are applying whatever you're applying on your face also on your neck and on your chest, because especially where you have to wear clothes like off shoulder and the likes, so that the color of your neck will not be different from your face. So please take note of this, guys. Now, this mistake I'm about to talk about, almost everybody is guilty of it: popping your pimples. Guys, please, you need to stop that. Stop popping your pimples. Stop popping that pimples. Like, I know you're trying to get rid of that embarrassing pimples on your face, but popping your pimples could actually complicate things, because popping pimples could lead to serious dark spots, acne scars that can take months to fade off. So why not just leave that pimples alone? Let it keep playing until it dries out on your skin. Like me, I don't pop my pimples. Even though they are embarrassing, I make sure to leave them like that until they dries up, because here most girls usually have pimples at that time of the month. So just leave it alone. Let it keep playing until it dries out. That way you won't end up with dark spots to treat after your pimples have gone. Please guys, kindly leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. What are some other mistakes that you think people make? on a daily basis unknowingly? Let us know in the comment section. And if you're also guilty of any of this skincare mistake I mentioned, like if you've also been doing your skincare routine this way, please let us know in the comment section so that we can learn from it. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.